on there. Oh yeah. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing an easy one. Crispy pizza triangles. Thin crust, put in whatever you want. Put the topping on there that you want. They look like pizzas. They taste like pizza. They're not pizza. On here I have tortilla wraps. Now the tortilla wraps you want is 10 to 12 inch. You can make them smaller, not a problem. You know, 8-inch tortillas, anything like that, fold them up, small triangles, look fantastic as a party or a barbecue, anything like that. Come on, let's do it. Tortillas, there you go. We want to come roughly down there. So I'll do this top one. Okay, so we got this going on. Okay, we got 2 halves like that. Oven on, 200 degrees. Fabulous little dish this, easy to come together. Pizza sauce out of a jar or make your own. On there, come on. Now, what we're going to do is not come all the way to the outside edge, okay? Leave a little gap like that, and we're going to rub a little bit of water over there as a glue to stick it. And yes, I can tell you this does not always stick. Okay, so we want a little bit of water there like that, and it's unnecessary really. If you don't mind the cheese bubbling out, don't do it. It's just an extra step. Okay, we want to dress it up how you want. So we're going, and you want to aim at the middle for this. Okay, so we'll go in there with a little bit of onion. So we'll have some jalapeno in here that we've sliced, fresh jalapeno. Salami, pepperoni, anything like that. Come on there. Let's go fancy. We'll have a couple of sliced olives. We'll do a pinch of dried oregano, and it's your cheese of choice, to be honest. We want mozzarella, of course we do, and we're going to do a bit of cheddar. Now, like I say, this is of choice. It doesn't matter what you put in here. We'll have that in there, a bit of parmesan. We're going a bit of Italian herbs. You don't have to, you can stick with the oregano, I'm just showing you. And you can do a little bit of garlic powder if you so wish, just a little sprinkle. Now, here's the important bit to this. Okay, you've got all this going on. Now what you do is you fold your triangle, if you like, of your pizza, and you pull it up, okay, so it comes to the top like that. Okay, so you're not folding it, you're pulling it up, and then this one you just pull over and join it, and now you have a triangle. Now, if you're using one of these pizza trays, you take that and you put the seam side down. Now, we can adjust it around in a minute, but can you see what we're getting? We're getting a pizza slice. So again, take this and pull it up and over to the top. That's the secret to making these triangles. If you try and fold it like that, it does not join up, obviously. Come on. So there you go. In here, sauce. This is such a fab recipe to do with the kids. Or even just a quick pizza. You've got that pizza taste, You've got a thin crust, you're not stuffed to the gunnels. It's superb. Now, we do this around here all the time, but you know, I appreciate folks don't do stuff like this. Okay, on there again, we got some pepperoni or salami, depends what you like. Now, it's open to choice, come on. You know, you want a Hawaiian, you put ham and pineapple in. You want cheese, you put cheese in. It's up to you. We'll have a little bit of onion in there. Got that flavour coming through. Want a little bit of jalapeno. Flavour it up. Oregano. A little bit of garlic powder. Want a little bit of mozzarella in there. Now the thing is with tortillas, if you read the packet of a tortilla has raising agents in, okay? So that means they're going to puff up slightly, only slightly, not much. That'll do it. You can put on what you want. Again, oh, we've missed the water. Come on. Got to try and stick it down. It don't matter if it doesn't. On there. A little bit of water, yeah. So we need to try and wrap these a little bit tighter to fit in there, don't we? Come on. So off we go. Again, take your tortilla and pull it up and over, not just across, okay? Now we're going to pull this tight, I think. So we're going to pull that like that. So we got a tight one going on here, look. Okay, I'm going to take that. I'm going to shove that in there. There you go, look at that. That is absolutely sensational. There's our pizza slices ready for the oven. Right, here comes another take on this. Take some beaten egg. You do not have to. All those people have an egg allergy. You ain't doing this, okay? A little bit of beaten egg on there. It gives it a glossy shine on there. And I've just been a bit untidy. It's gone straight through the bottom and down onto there. So that's going to stick, but we're not worried. Come on. You'll be a little bit more careful than me. So you can see where we're at. You could make those triangles and put on a tray quite easily. You know, you could get 6 on there. Look, 3 up there, 3 there. Nice and easy. You could use smaller tortillas. You could make small ones for parties and things like that. This is sensational. Okay, there you go. There's our setup already, and we're going to carry on. We're taking it further. Isn't this fun? Come on. On there, mozzarella. We're making a pizza. A little bit of that parmesan. We'll cheese it up, yeah? Oh, come on. A little bit of cheddar. We'll have a different colour going through there. It's flavoured up inside, but there you go. There's a little bit of dried oregano. Let's get that in the oven. 12 minutes. Boom. "12 minutes, that will do it." Oh, look at that. On there. Smells absolutely amazing. Smells just like pizza. There's a surprise. Come on there. Oh yeah. There we have it, look. Nice crispy bottom, crispy edge, nice and soft. This comes with a health warning, and I'm not going to be kidding. I'm going to tell you straight out. It's a pocket. It's boiling inside. Be careful. Come on, let's give it a go. And when I mean it's boiling inside, I've got a fork here, look. We're just going to rip that open. There's our filling. And look how hot that is in there. That is ridiculous. And obviously it's a pizza, so we want to be eating it by hand, don't we? Just be careful. Oh yeah. Oh. That's off the charts. Come on, it's a pizza. That is delicious, delicious with those jalapenos in there. Gives it that nice little bit of a bite. Get that in there, all that goodness. Now like I say, look, this is a pocket and you can see it's not steaming on the outside, it's really steaming on the inside. You'll be very careful. You think you can shove it straight in? Watch what you're doing. That is absolutely amazing. Come on. On there. There you go, that's our crispy pizza triangles. Just like a pizza. Simple way using tortillas, there you go. Don't forget, remember when you're folding, pull up to fold, not just fold over. Holds all the contents inside. That is a fantastic, quick, easy pizza idea. Crispy on the outside, look. You got a little bit of shine there for we put the egg on. Nice and crispy underneath, look. And you've got that filling on the inside. I mean, come on. What more could you want? So easy. That is amazing. There you go. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make crispy pizza triangles. And if you do like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. Oh, just amazing.